Hello, my friend. Let's solve the kangaroo question in Mathematics 2019 for grade 5 and 6. Question number 9. The sum of the age of a group of kangaroos is 36 years. After 2 years, the sum of their ages became 60. How many kangaroos are in that group? Okay, first, it was 36, it became 60. So let's say it's increased by what? 36 subtracted from 60, it will be 24 years. And that 24 years, it's increased after just 2 years. So 24, it's increased after 2 years. That means that we will have 12 kangaroo. So we have 12. That means if we divide 24 by the 2 years, so the 12 group was there. Thank you.